Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be rating my fidgets from 1 to 10. 10 being the best and 1 being the worst. And I am in my Hocus Pocus trend, which I really do like that movie. I am trying to cut this off camera just to be on the safe side. Just in case if I cannot open it. You can do it with 3 or just with 1, like 2. I prefer to do them with 2 instead of 3. Just to make it like a little bit more easier. And if we add 3, that's up to you if you want to add 3 to it. I am giving this a 10 out of 10. And these 2 is the roll and spins that I just opened up. I'm hoping I'm doing it right. Like, correct me if I'm wrong with it. I'm also giving this a 10 out of 10 as well. And if anyone was wondering what colors do they come in, blue, green, orange, and yellow, purple, and pink. And they do stick together as well. So both of these, 10 out of 10. And that's why I need to open these up with the scissors, because of stuff like this. I really do enjoy fidget spinner puppets. I really do enjoy them, and I do have a few of them. I am giving this a 10 out of 10. Like, this do give me Easter vibes, because from the pink, green, blue, and yellow. And plus with the white. So I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. Trying my best not to show my scissors on camera. And I know it's on my lap. I am so sorry for taking a long time just to open this one up. I did got this at Kroger's, but I forgot on how much it was. It was last year before December. It was 2024 when I got this. They do want to get stuck when I was trying to put them together. It is like a little bit loose with the yellow one and with the pink one. I can try to fix this one off camera, but I am taking some points off because of that. So I want to say 9 out of 10. I do like these a lot, but I don't know why this one is kind of defective with it. So I want to say 9 out of 10 for this one, because it is not working for the orange one, and the yellow one just came off really easily. But I can try to fix this one off camera, but I'm still giving it a 9 out of 10. Like for this. Luckily I do have another one of it. Same way goes with this one that's like a little bit loose and all that. But my other ones that I have do not do that at all. Comment down below if you know if they have to be loose or what. But I am giving this one a 10 out of 10. I am giving this one a 10 out of 10. I know I have a few of these in my pile already, and I really do like them. And if anyone was wondering, yes, I do have a lot of fidgets in my collection already. And some of the storage bins that I have them in, I do have like a little bit in each. Like, I do have tangles. Well, not tangles, but I only do have one tangle and all that. So heads up for them. But I'm talking about the Link and Snap ones. I do have them in a different storage bin, but I do have like a little bit of them, if that makes sense. But I was thinking about doing a fidget haul and showing all of the fidgets that I have, like right there. But I was just thinking about doing like a video on that. And I am giving this one a 10 out of 10. A 10 out of 10. I am also giving this one a 10 out of 10 as well. And now time for the 22-inch one. I really do like the 22-inch one. It's one of my favorites that I have. So I am giving it a 10 out of 10. Lastly but not least, my favorite now, the fidget spinner poppets. And I know that I cannot spin them because it's like a little bit too big for me to spin. Like, I can't even, like, spin it, if you know what I mean by that. But I am giving this a 10 out of 10. I just wish that this was, like, these was, like, a little bit smaller so I can spin them as well. I am giving this one a 9 out of 10. The reason why I got the yellow one too with it, because yellow is one of my favorite colors. I'm giving this one a 9 out of 10 as well. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10. And yes, like, I know I cannot spin it because my fingers do not reach. Like, it do not reach. So therefore I can only do that, and I don't want to just drop it, like, onto the floor. Now I did have to get a purple one because, fun facts, I do like purple, and purple just reminds me of my favorite YouTuber, Purple Sozo 2, and she's the one that inspired me to get fidgets. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10. And I only have 3 of these left. I did got orange because this reminds me of Halloween with orange and black. I'm giving this a 9 out of 10. I still say that this is a blue-green color. Like, comment down below if you know what color this is. I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. And my last one. I don't know why I got this color for. It's kind of my least favorite color. Size up. I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. If I have to choose just one favorite out of the pile, it would be the black fidget spinner poppin'. If I have to choose two things out of the pile that I have, it would be the black fidget spinner poppin' and the white fidget spinner poppin'. Comment down below which one is your favorite out of my pile. I hope that everyone enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I hope that everyone enjoyed this video.